everyone, welcome back once again to the Blind Pig YouTube channel. For today's video, we are making the classic drink, the Mojito. Previously, we made a Mint Julep. Why am I bringing that up? Well, the Mint Julep and the Mojito are very close cousins. Really, you're just substituting the bourbon for the rum, which is what goes in the Mojito. So let's get down to it right away. Let's show you how to make it. So to start out, we need mint. In this case, it's summer. I actually have fresh mint from my garden I started out with. So we're going to use that. I picked that already off camera here. Some people say to slap it. We're going to muddle it here in a second. You're really just double doing the same job. No need to do it. So go ahead and toss our fresh mint in there. And we're going to combine that with 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And once we have that in there, we're going to muddle it. This is our muddler. And really we're just getting in there, we're smashing it up a little bit. We're getting expressing the mint, getting the oils out of the mint, and getting that good minty flavor. All right. Next we need 2 ounces of rum. You want to use a white rum for this. I'm going to use Bacardi. It's a common one that most people have in their bar already. There's a lot better rums out there, of course, but Bacardi is always a solid choice. 2 ounces of that. And then we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Got a lime cut here already. I've taken to buying limes in bulk lately, or Costco or your local big box store, and freezing them. Now they unfreeze very quickly, about 10 minutes in a tub of cold water. You can get them unfrozen. They do get a little mushy. They don't present as well, but the juice tastes just fine, tastes just as fresh as when you had it. So it's a good trick if you want to buy them in bulk, save a little money, and then always have them on hand. All right, it's about 3/4 of an ounce there. We're going to add our ice. Using our bar spoon, give it a stir, mix everything together a little bit. And top with club soda. And I forgot my straw. Let me reach around here and grab that. I got a metal straw here. And let's give it a try. Oh, that's fantastic. A great summer drink. I love the taste of fresh mint, especially with lime. Forgot to garnish it with my sprig of mint. At least I didn't forget after the camera was done. Dresses it up a little bit. But once again, one of my favorite summer cocktails. This is a delicious one. I encourage you to try this out. Please leave a comment, subscribe, like the video. Let us know if you have any ideas for the future. Thanks a lot.